and welcome back to Hand and Heart Phonics. Today we will be covering Unit 2, Lesson 1. Our focus will be on the short A sound. By the end of today's lesson, you will review the sounds for A, M, S, T, R, F, and C. You will read short A CVC words, practice high-frequency words, and read a short passage. Let's get started. This is the letter A. A says in the word apple. Ah! Say it with me. Get ready. Ah. What sound does the letter A make? Yes, ah. As in apple. Now we will review some other letters, okay? We'll start with the letter A. What does A say? Yes, ah. Again? Yes, ah. Now we are just going to go straight across from left to right and say the letters and their sounds. Get ready. A, ah. M, S, S, P, R, R, F, C. Your turn. You're going to do it on your own. Get ready. Great job. Remember those letter sounds. You're going to need them in today's lesson. All right, now that we've reviewed our letter sounds, let's look at blending together some words. Okay? First, I will blend the word. You'll blend it with me, and then you'll blend on your own. Get ready. At. Say it with me. Get ready. At. It. This is the word at. Please blend on your own. Get ready. Yes, this is the word at. What word? At. In this word, remember that S may say S or Z. In this word, the S is going to make the S sound. I will blend first. Get ready. As. As. Blend with me. Get ready. As. As. By yourself. Get ready. Yes, this is the word as. What word? Very good. Yes, as. Our next word contains the letters A and M. Together they say am, am. Say it with me. Get ready. Am, am. Blend by yourself. Yes, this is the word am. What word? Yes, am. Okay, we're going to take our am and add an S to the beginning. It's going to change the word. Listen as I blend. Am, Sam. Blend with me. Am, Sam. Blend by yourself. Yes, this is the word Sam. What word? Very good. Notice that the S is a capital letter because Sam is a name. Okay? Now we're going to change the M in Sam to a T, and it's going to change the word. Listen as I blend. Sat, sat. Blend with me. Sat, sat. Blend on your own. What word? Yes, sat. Okay, now that S in sat is going to change to a C. Let's blend. At, cat. Blend with me. At, cat. Blend on your own. Excellent work. Yes, this is the word cat. What word? Yes, cat. Okay, now that we've blended all of those words, we're going to practice them one more time on this page before we read them the fast way. Okay, first I will blend the words, then you will blend the words. Get ready. At, am, Sam. As, sat. Am, at, cat. Your turn. Get ready. Excellent work. Let's read these words the fast way. We're going to look at them 3 times. I will read, we'll read together, and then you'll read on your own. Get ready. At, as, am, Sam, sat, cat, ram. Again, read with me. At, as, am, Sam, sat, cat, ram. This time by yourself. Get ready. Excellent work. Now we're going to move on to our high frequency words. We've already talked about I, a, the, and to in the previous unit, but we're just going to review these words. I know that when I stands alone, it refers to I as in me, myself. I am me. When we have I that stands alone and it forms a word, we use a capital I. Here we have the letter A. When reading the letter A, you may say a or a. Either one is appropriate. THE forms the or the. Remember that TH says th. You may either pronounce it or the, the or the. TO just says to. So our high frequency words are I, a or a, the or the, and to. Here is a way that you can remember I, a, the, and to. I see a pig by the tree. The pig runs to me. I give the pig a pat. Then I run to the mat. Okay? Remember that we have I, a or a, the or the, and to. Now that we have reviewed our short sounds for the letter A, as well as some other letters and sounds, combined with our high frequency words, I want you to pause here and do the practice pages for Unit 2, Lesson 1 of Hand and Heart Phonics. Unpause when you're ready. Okay, now that you've completed your practice, let's read some sentences together. You will read these sentences 3 times, and then we will continue. The first read, I will read. The second and third read, you will read. Okay? I am Sam. Your turn. Last time. Great job. Yes, I am Sam. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. The first time I will read. The second times you will read. A cat sat. Your turn. Now, you're doing a wonderful job. I said a cat sat. You may also say a cat sat. One more time with a. Beautiful. A or a. Great job reading those 3 times. Now that we've practiced our sentences, let's move on to a short passage. Just like our sentences, I will read, we'll read together, and then you will read the last time on your own. Once you've done that, you will read the passage 3 more times and color in a star after each read using your Unit 2 Lesson 1 practice pages. Here we go. Sam and the cat. Sam sat at a mat. A cat ran to Sam. The cat sat at the mat. Sam and the cat sat. Beautiful. Read that with me. Get ready. Sam and the cat. Sam sat at a mat. A cat ran to Sam. The cat sat at the mat. Sam and the cat sat. Beautiful. One more time, this time on your own. Wonderful work. If you need to read it again, you may pause and read it again. If not, let's move on to the read and respond. I will read the passage one more time, and then I'll ask you some questions. Sam and the cat. Sam sat at a mat. A cat ran to Sam. The cat sat at the mat. Sam and the cat sat. Okay. Who ran to Sam? A cat, a rat, a pig. Who ran to Sam? Yes, a cat. I know because right here in sentence 3 it says, a cat ran to Sam. A cat. Where did the cat sit? At the mat, in a pot, on a log. Where did the cat sit? Yes. The cat sat at the mat. I know because it says right here, the cat sat at the mat. What did Sam and the cat do at the end? Ran, sat, hid. What did they do at the end? Yes. Sam and the cat sat. They sat at the end. Wonderful work, readers. All right, at this time, you have completed Unit 2, Lesson 1 of Hand and Heart Phonics. That concludes our lesson. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content like this, please like and subscribe so that I know you're enjoying it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.